Ridhan is going to show you a demo of what is a program. Okay, he is a computer. Are you able to read? He's a computer, and I am going to give some instruction. Okay, and he's going to perform the instruction or perform the task. Shall we start? Okay, Ridhan, can you take the file? Can you open the file? Can you take the mobile from the file? Can you give the mobile to me? Can you take the pen from the file? Can you give the pen to me? Can you keep the mobile inside the file? Can you keep the pen inside the file? Can you close the file? Can you keep the file in its original place? So thank you. So Ridhan, I have given set of instructions to him and he followed the instruction. Okay, and then he performed the task. Okay, now Ridhan is idle. He's not doing anything. You know why? Because I am not giving any instruction. That's why no, without programs, computers cannot function as they only execute the instructions we given to them. Okay, Ridhan will execute the task or instructions only when we give the instruction to him. Okay, a computer program is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. So I have given set of instructions to Ridhan because he is a computer. So he is a computer and he exactly did what I asked him to do. Okay, and then so what are the instructions I given act as a guide so that he is able to perform. Okay, if I say take the file, he is taking the file. If I say take the mobile, and he is taking the mobile. And if I'm not giving any commands, so he's idle and is waiting for the command. So now, did you understand what's the program? Will you ever forget what the program is in your lifetime? Is it easy to understand? Okay, can we give a big round of applause to Ridhan? Thank you.